Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Gems. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest stunning video. So guys, let's start our today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform which platform you can earn huge income, and to the site link in my video description. You can click the open the browser. It will bring into this interface. As you can see, the site name is Shark, and I will show you how to create account in this platform. So without skip, watch my full video. First of all, you need to register account in this platform. So simply input your email address, put your login password, and you can find password. After you complete the details, you can the invitation code automatically take it. And after you complete all details, invitation code you can see. So simply put the invitation code and click the register button. Your account ready for login. My account already ready, so I click the login option. And after I click the login option, you can see the site all details available here. You can see the minimum recharge is 10 USDT. If you deposit 10 USDT, you can earn regular 10% mean 1 USDT. If you deposit 14 USDT, regular get 11% on your balance. You can see the 11% is 5.5 USDT. After you read the all details, simply click the confirm button and click the mine option. I will show you how to register in this platform and complete with tracks. Then we simply click the deposit option, choose the transfer smart account, choose the amount and select TRC20. You can see there are three methods available: TRC20, BEP20 USDT, and TRC20 TRX. So TRC20 USDT, simply click the recharge now and copy the link and go to your wallet. Select TRC20, paste the address, put the amount, how much amount you are interested for deposit. After you put the amount, click the next button, and when you successfully done, you get the transaction ID. Copy the transaction ID, come here and put the transaction ID and get a screenshot on your withdrawal. After you get a screenshot, come here and upload your screenshot, recharge screenshot in here, and completely all details. Simply click the recharge completed button, and your account is already ready for deposit. After your account recharge done, simply click the bank account. Again, the bank account, you can see the deposit already added in my account. So simply click the income option and click the gaining option. You can see collection is success. And after is success, click the mine option. You can see I reload my page, and I will show you how to withdraw your money. Simply click the withdraw option. After you click the withdraw option, choose the smart account and go to your wallet. Click the add fund, click the deposit crypto, choose USDT and TRC20 and copy the address. Come here, there put your amount and paste your TRC20 address. After you paste the TRC20 address, put your fund password, and after you complete the all details, simply click the submit option. You can see I click my submit option and my withdrawal is successfully done. And I complete my withdrawal, and you can see I receive my on USDT withdrawal and under few minutes. And simply click the back icon and click the home page. You can see the side interface. You can see there have investment option. Click the investment option. You can see there are many interest and rate in here: 14, 5 days, 7 days, 15 days. You can, this is your own choice. And you can see there have an income option. When you reach, simply done, and you can come here and you can see there is tax in available. After you complete the tax, you got the today's reward. And you can see there have a share option. Click the share option, copy the link, share the social media, and you can earn more income by the share. And so without delay, share the link your friend, and you simply click the home page. You can see there are many kind of language available: English, Bangla, Portugal, Indian, Arabian. So if you face any problem, simply contact the customer service. Here is the customer service contact details. Simply contact the customer service and solve your problem. So guys, I did not force anyone deposit here. This is your own choice. So until that today's video. So see you next another running video, guys. See you. Take care.